if I'm coming from Pampanga or Tarlac or Baguio and I get on the TPLEX, is there a expressway that I can take an off-ramp and head west towards Lingayen? If there was, in, for example, Urdaneta or Villasis, if I had a turn-off and I could head on an expressway to Lingayen, it would only take me 15 minutes to 20 minutes, whereas now it takes 2 hours. And if I had a small branch going to Bugalyon, for example, that's the almost the middle of the district, or let's say to Mangatarem, then I open up Mangatarem to a lot of commerce opportunities, commercial opportunities. Ganon din the town of Bugalyon. Then we open up the district to development.